for our day 2 of creation, for our theme topic, I have a little page for each day of creation. God divided the waters in the sky from the waters in the sea. So we read it together. We'll talk about it. This was a little arts craft we did. This is the water in the firmament. So we put some little clouds, some little cotton for the clouds, and we glued some blue ribbon for the waters in the sea. And so today we tried to do our school related to this. So we talked about the seas and the oceans. We looked on a map, and then we did our little spelling test on a little cloud like this. And I put one of these little things, and that's right, he could twist it like this easily. So I gave him a whole bunch of E words since today was our E day, and we practiced from the word sea. So we wrote peanut. So I gave him the word, and then he twisted it to the next page. This is all with little blue papers, and I just cut them out together. Yeast. Let's see what else he made. He wrote reach. Anyway, I'm sure you can think of some of your own. I just wanted to show you this little idea. I tried to find it. I use a different sound for each day, and then those are our spelling words for the day. That way he doesn't just work on his spelling, but also his reading practice, and he's reviewing with his special sounds. And it's really helping him actually, both with his reading and sounding out new words, as well as spelling. He's learning lots of words that way by focusing one sound a day. Anyway, so there's our little spelling test. And another little E activity we did was, here's a little cloud again, since our topic was on day 2 of creation, with this E sound, and this was the E sound like in sea. That helped him to remember it. So this is the water in the sea. And then I followed a list. I have from our Hooked on Phonics book a list of these E words and a list of these E words. And then I have in here, to make it extra fun, we have our little bag of peanuts. Peanuts have the sound E, like in sea. So he had his little bag ready, and every time I gave him a word, for example, I gave him the word teach. If he knew that it was this E, he got to put a peanut on top. I gave him another word, sheep. If he looked here and he put a nut, oh, it's probably, is it this one? Oh, he didn't get the peanut because it goes to this one, so he had to put it back. So every time he knew the right E sound for which word, bee, feet, meet, it's nice to meet you, queen, he got to put a peanut on top of it. And same with these, every time I gave him a word with this one, preach, peach, bleach, he got to put it on top of that. And at the end, after like 10 on each one, he got to eat them, of course. So that was his special little reward for learning his E words. And that helped him to remember the words that go where. And if he didn't know them, he didn't keep the peanut. Anyway, that was a fun little E sound for our day 2 of creation.